Welcome back to the channel, YouTube subscribers. I'm a few days late again on the introduction. I am headed to Benson, North Carolina, I believe, Galat for PDRA to help out Travis Harvey. We did excellent in Bama, but again, just kind of short staff. We were scrambling. Did real good, real good. Number 2 qualifier and LDR with a 386. I forgot the third digit, but we had 386 at Black Plague. I'm sure all the turbo and Pro Charger and all the other combo crybabies got me trying to get weight put on us this week. That's typical. S275, the vet, was outstanding. That thing went a 413 with a 2, all because I had to chase Kenny Hubbard. So Kenny, thanks for making me chase you for your silly 13 with an O. But it was a crazy event. You know, we went out there. We started off pretty good. Q1, the black car, I just went 86 with it. But the vet, we struggled. It won at 18. I couldn't figure out what was going on. I think I was having lockup problems. I changed so much stuff chasing Kenny that it don't make sense. But yeah, 18. Then we went like 16. Then a 20. And then Q5, we came back around and went to 13 with a 2. I mean, I don't know what else to say. That thing it's a beast. It is the fastest nitrous S275 car in the world. I don't see another nitrous car getting close to it. Maybe Curry or Rhodes might get close to it, but only time will tell. We'll find out in I think our next race in September. I might be doing some well, I'm gonna keep that a secret. I don't know. But stay tuned for this awesome footage to come. It's a little bit better than the last video. I've been slacking a whole lot on getting in-car footage and just outside footage because you know, we're back to 3 cars at the track. Nemesis, black car, and the vet, and they keep putting S275 and LDR back to back. So DJ is driving both cars, and let me tell y'all, it is absolutely painful. I'm shaking a whole lot here because I'm driving, as y'all can see. But it is painful running both back to back. Our new guy Brandon, he handles the black car. Me and my pop handle the vet, and either me or my pop get the vet up there, and Brandon gets the black car to the lanes. But we're usually first pair out or last pair in LDRX, and I mean, I don't see how DJ is doing it, but it looks like it's making him a better driver because his reaction times have increased by a whole lot. But we have to go up there. DJ, he either got to make a pass in the black car or the vet, and we have somebody at the end of the track waiting to pick him up. As soon as he get on the return road in either car, we hook up, rush him across the scales, rush it back to the pits, unhook, and rush him into either other car. And we have to do that during qualifying and eliminations. Each round of eliminations, he was doing that. 10 lights, 20 lights, you know, killing people. I told him to go at the light against. We had the Cobalt first round and LDR. Oh no, second round, and he almost messed up. this guy go out there and go 006. That's cutting a little close for eliminations. But you know, killing it every round. Which this will be 2 videos, but I'm gonna use the same intro. But X275 came out on top. Thanks to all the sponsors, everybody that supported us. LDR, I consider us still coming out on top. We got runner up, but we had a little mishap with a trigger finger at the end. But we still came out on top. We made history. First time we ever went to the finals with both cars and won. So we almost did the last race. I messed up on a tune-up with the vet. Let the track get the best of me. But we won the last race with the black car, and then won it with the vet this time. But you know, we're gonna try to keep it going. We are now first in points for the $25,000 LDR Championship Series, and 45 points behind Kenny and X275. So Kenny, you my buddy, but we coming. We are coming. So yeah, stay tuned. Enjoy the footage. Like, share, comment, and be on the lookout for the next, you know, the black play video. And I don't know, Black Gold is going out this weekend. I'll be doing some team viewer stuff and have DJ on the keyboard. But if I can finally get y'all some footage, because we finally taking out of private testing and going to a public event with it. So if I can get y'all some footage of that, I will. But yeah, enjoy the footage.